Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view saved items on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your saved items on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see there is the U button available for us just beside the categories. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And you land over here where you can see currently we are on this interface, but if we swipe it a little bit up, we are on the browsing history over here. But if you swipe it to the right guys, or tap on the wish list over here just beside the browsing history, tap on wish list, and all of the saved items we have saved on Temu will be available over here. And if you swipe it to the right and tap on see all guys, all of our saved items on Temu will be listed over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to view your saved items on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.